guys, today we're going to be cleaning out my two central air conditioners, so let's get started. Before we get started here, we're going to take out this disconnect, so pull that out there, and then we're going to put it on that top shelf thing that you can do. Let's just be careful with that. Put that in onto the top. So, yeah, so it's out of use. Alright, just make sure it's... Alright, why ain't this going in all the way? Get this thing on the top shelf thing. Come on. Alright, just let him do it. Oh, there we go. Alright, cool. Now we can get started. So, on my my Milwaukee screwdriver, we're gonna take off these nuts over here. I'm only doing these grills here. I'm taking off these grill guards. These require one screw on these Rheem Rude units, so I'll show you. So I took that one out, and now with a little bit of persuasion, in theory, this should come out. Well, give me a moment. Let me see. Can I set this up somewhere? Let's see. Try my best. See if I can get that. I'll try to see if I can set it up. I guess I'll show you this panel. This comes out. Alright, there's that one. And now pull up. There we go. Comes right out. You can see all that filth in there. So yeah. So I got one done. Put that grill right there. Let's see what this one come out now. I'm gonna put this down while I do this one. There we go. Whew, it's dusty. This one definitely needs a cleaning. I'm gonna keep these corner supports in because I don't want to take them out. Plus, I don't really want all that weight on the coils, so yeah. Oh yeah, I have this upside down. All right, cool. But yeah, so this one here. Yeah, I got the third screw out. Now I can lift up on this one. This one might be easier for me to do one hand. Maybe not. I guess this thing's kind of a two-handed job, I guess. There we go. We're out. Woo! Basically, you just push in and pull up both your hands. So yeah, now the coils are exposed on it. With only 3 screws. That's how serviceable these things are. Now for the fan, these require larger things, so I'm gonna have to take that out so we can backflow it. And I also want to oil that motor because that motor does not sound good. See if I can oil that. So yeah, I'm gonna go take off that fan and we'll be back. Alright, I got the top thing off. You can see here's the blade. Let me see. Is this thing? I don't know if this is an oil. Yeah, that leads right into the winding. So yeah, I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil on the shaft to hopefully maybe cure that unsettling noise that it makes. So yeah, I'm gonna go get some oil and we'll do that. Alright. Let's just plop some oil around that shaft. Get it to leak in a little bit. Yeah, there we go. See if maybe that'll cure the motor of its very loud noises that it makes. We might have to replace the motor eventually, I have no idea. But other than that, I think this thing's ready for a cleaning, so we'll get started on that. Alright, everything's ready to go. Alright, pro tip, don't get water on the fan motor. Yeah. This thing with water alone from rain has already started sounding like crap from a heavy rainstorm, so don't try spraying that. I'm scared too, so yeah. It still seems pretty clean to me, so I'm not gonna touch it. So we're just gonna do the coils. So I think first we're gonna back flush it just to get all that debris from that dryer thing right there. That's the reason why I have to clean these so often, because of that stupid dryer thing. So yeah. Oh yeah, make sure your disconnect's pulled. I already did that. So. You can definitely see it's coming through, which is a good sign. Coming through. Keep going. All along the entire condenser coil. Keep going along the entire thing. Alright. Definitely see it's pretty clean on the inside due to me cleaning it out each year, so that's a good thing. Alright. Let's get this side over here. There we go, look at that. Yeah, I'm gonna do the rest of this myself because I'm trying to avoid my phone getting wet, so I'm gonna do the rest of this and we'll be back. Alrighty, so now that you've backflushed it, now you just want to go ahead and clean the outside of it, get all that extra debris off of it. Just like so. Pulling all that grass out of there. Look at all that. Woo. See how much could be in there and you wouldn't even know. Look at that. Get all that out. Also, don't get stuff on the motor and don't go into the electrical box. Don't spray that. Yeah, don't do that. That's common sense. Don't get your electrical crap wet. And obviously, do not spray your disconnect box. If you have half of a brain, you should know not to do that. I mean, yeah. Am I being nice to a modern air conditioner? Yes, but do I want it to last as long as possible? Yes. So... And this thing still seems to be in good shape. I just think that compressor might be screwed. I think that this thing has a lot of problems with it that I have to check with. We're gonna have to get a tech over here, but yeah. It's in your pad too, so you know what's beyond there. Oh yeah, and you know it's good when you're getting steady flow through the coil. That's when you know it's good. Alright, now, I don't have any, like, condenser soap with me, but I do have, dish soap, which should work just fine for what I need it for. I clean this thing every year, and at the beginning and the end of the cooling season, so I don't need, like, heavy-duty, coil cleaners to get this thing shiny. Plus, I have a dog, so you don't want all that chemicals and crap all over there, so... Yeah. Oh my god, my dog's chasing a bumblefly. Alright, so now I added a little bit of dish soap to give it an extra clean it, and it's working pretty well. Let's get all the heavy crap off. But yeah, considering I do my annual maintenance on it, I don't need heavy soap on this thing. Alright, and the soap's going through the other side, which is good. Alright, let's do this side. Oh yeah, that's good. I don't know if you can take those off, but I do not want to try. Because I don't want this thing falling apart. So. Coming along good, though. The line's a little wet. I mean, maybe this will make it work better. I mean, yeah, it's an air conditioner that doesn't work right, but until I get a tech over here, this should... hopefully help it a little bit and should make it easier for the tech to get into it. Alright, let's get this other side over here. Alright, you guys get the idea, so I'm just going to end recording so I can save on storage on my phone. Alright, now that the unit itself is clean, I'm going to move on to these grates over here. get these clean as well. So I'm gonna bring them out here. Yes, I need to get new logos for this thing, but I'll get them. I'll get new ones eventually. Alright, we're good. I mean, yeah, this is a permanently lubricated motor that I oiled, but, you know, some oil's better than none, and this thing sounds like it's grinding, and it sounds like it's about to kick the bucket, and I want to keep it going until I get a tech over here. Alright. I could probably replace the fan motor myself if I wanted to, but I really do not. I mean, I'm gonna train to be an HVAC tech, yes, but, you know, I don't really want to mess with it myself. These are pretty clean on the outside, so I'll just flip them over so you can get the insides of them. Alright, let's see what we can do here. Alright, that'll do it. Okay. I'll just lay these back, let them dry out a little bit, and we'll put it back together. But yeah, for now, I think it's clean. Seems pretty clean to me. Nothing in the insides. Everything's cleaned out. And yeah, I had to straighten that. So, yeah, so let me get that back over here. Yeah, cover that up. Good. Alright, so yeah. I'm gonna put the fan back on here, and we'll put the side panels back on and let it dry out, and then we'll put the disconnect in and test it. Alright, I got the fan grill back on, but when tightening these 4 screws, this is for the Rheems, or any air conditioner to be exact, when you thread the screws in, let me get my nuts, but do it in a cross pattern like a car tire, because this is a fan blade, and, you know, it's spinning at who knows what RPM, and, you know, you really do not want that, you know, coming loose or anything, you know, want it tight all around, so I'll do that. I'll time lapse this, I guess. Alright, now that the fan's tight, we're gonna put on the grates on this thing. So, first of all, we're gonna put them, line them up, push them. Well, I mean, it's hard to do with one hand, but push it all the way up until it comes in like that, and then push it down. Might need to wiggle it down a little bit, but once you wiggle it down to that screw right there, you can tighten it. So yep, there's the screw. Just thread that in a little bit, get my wrench set to 20. Alright, torque down. Good. Now we'll just do the third grill, and we'll be done with this one. Alright, so I have this one apart now. Unlike this one has like a really hard one to get to, but this one's plugged. Look at all that dust. That's what happens when you put an air conditioner next to a dryer. That's not good. But anyway, I opened that service port up because I can't access the one on that one. Well, I probably could have, but I just did not notice it. But yeah, we're gonna clean this one out now. Yeah, this thing's filthy. This one's closer to the dryer, so. Oh, I probably should also pull the disconnect. I kind of forgot about that. Pull that up. There we go. Good. Alright. This one has swept blades. The other one has standard blades. But yeah. Let's pull this fuzz out. Alright, we're gonna clean this thing out. I already showed the process, so I'll do that and we'll get it back together and I'll show you guys it clean. Alright, both of the air conditioners are on. We're gonna test both of them out now. First gonna test out the upstairs one, so we'll see if it comes on. Alright, here we go. Alright, it's running. I'll try out the other one now. Alright. Here's goes nothing. So yeah, hopefully one more. Already getting cold on here. So yeah, I'll be back in a minute when I have both of them running. Alright, I decided to open the access port on this thing to show you guys. It is running. Yeah, there you go. There's both of them running. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.